I'm here at 27 Tupelo Road, just outside of Old Town Bluffton. Here's the outside. All right. There's a look at the street. There's a park right at the end of the street here. All right. Let's head on in. So you have a little foyer here as you come in. This door immediately to my right is a half bath. A lot of pictures. So you have your powder room, guest bathroom. Okay. And here you kind of have a dining area. And your living room back here. Just gonna pan to the left. You have your kitchen in the front of the unit. Pretty good size. You have a Formica countertop. Cabinets look nice. Right. Be a little walk through here. It's a good sized living room actually. There's quite a bit of furniture in here. Okay. And back here you have a courtyard. There's some paver patio. Private courtyard. Right. And you have your garage right through here. Pretty good sized garage. It's a 2-car garage. And let's see if we have any lights. A couple lights. I don't know if you can see this. Plenty of storage. You have attic storage here. Here's the back side of the property. All right. Plenty of room for a golf cart, some beach bikes, got an extra fridge out here. AC. Yeah, looks a bit old, on the older side. Okay, let's head on in. Looks like bamboo flooring down here. And I presume this is a closet. Yep, coat closet. It's a really good sized space downstairs. It's quite large. So, all right, let's head upstairs. Carpet is, you'd need some new carpet in here. Carpet's pretty old. All right, so you have all 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is, looks like they have it set up as an office. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Here's another bedroom here. All right, both have closets, nothing too fancy. Closet. And then you have a washer dryer in its own room, which is pretty nice. Big closets here. Let's take a look inside. Okay, this is a linen closet. And then down the hall, you have here a full bath. Let's see. Lights. All right, pretty basic. Let's take a peek in the shower. looks fine. Needs a good cleaning. Right. And here you have the master. Good size room. You have a king size bed in here, no problem. All right. Yeah, kind of a walk-in closet here. Good size closet. And then towards the back of the room, you have the master bath. Pretty small for a master. It seems like almost smaller than the hallway bathroom, but practical. Got probably your air handler upstairs. So this place is about 1,700 square feet, 3-bedroom. It's listed as a 3-bath, but it's a 2.5 bath. Yeah, I would say it needs some updating, definitely some new carpet. The floors down here look great. Maybe a paint job and maybe some more modern furniture, and for anything under 400 in this area is probably a great investment. All right, John, talk to you later. Bye. Jumped in the car and left 27 Tupelo. Just want to show you the drive from the property just to Old Town Bluffton. As you may know, a lot of folks keep golf carts at their houses and condos. There's one right there. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of where we're at here. So it's about a quarter mile. Here's MC Riley Park. Got a ball field. That's part of the school. And then here's those condos we talked about, or those townhomes we talked about last week that went under contract. And then here you are pulling into Old Town Bluffton. You have restaurants here on the left. And then once you turn in here, you have the Bluffton room, great restaurant, new restaurant coming over here. Hair salon, tons of places to have lunch. And you have, of course, Corner Perk, famous coffee shop, local pie, great pizza, Captain Woody's, Calhoun Street Tavern, great bar right here. And then if there's not too much traffic, I can show you right down towards the river. Here's Corner Perk, people sitting outside. See if I can squeeze through here. Yes, sir. So yeah, really close to everything. Super convenient. This is the street now where they have the farmers market. Actually, no, they moved it from the street. It's at a park to the left here. But on Thursdays, this whole place is jumping with food vendors and all kinds of crafts and things. Popular elementary school through new housing coming in here, new shops. All these buildings are new. So this area continues to expand. Prices continue to go up. The demand here continues to soar for people from all over the country. It's got a different flavor than Hilton Head. Not so much the beachy vibe, but more of the historic and sightseeing vibe. Here you have the Church of the Cross, super famous church, and here's the Wright Family Park. It's an awesome park. And then here you can jump on water tours, dolphin tours, fishing charters, everything right off of this dock.